everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom roles so you can add employees or different site contributors to your website. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is select our site. When the dashboard loads, we can head on over to settings, and in the settings, we can select roles and permissions. Now here is where you will see all of your current site contributors or maybe employees of your company or maybe even web designers here as well. But what we can do is actually come over to manage roles. And right here, you will see a bunch of pre-designed roles with different set permissions. So if you like these presets, then when you add contributors, you can select one of these different presets and they will have a set limit of permissions. However, if you want to create a brand new role with specific permissions, you can come over here to create new role. You can title it whatever you want. You can even add a description, but then we have all of these different permissions that we can then customize. So in the editor, we can have them edit the content. We can have them edit the site, or we can have them publish the site. For Editor X, there's even more roles that you can choose. So we can have them edit the code if you wanted to. And you can do a bunch of things like this. And it doesn't just stop with the editors. There's the site dashboard. You can allow them to invite people. They can change content in the content manager, billing and domains, point of sale, site members, customer management, marketing tools, analytics, payments and finances. They can even use the logo maker if you wanted them to have access to that. They can change the FAQs. They can add cookie banners to your website. They can add and manage apps. They can translate website apps and manage the multilingual app. And they can even manage your portfolio. So there are a lot of different permissions that you can customize for your custom roles. One permission I really wish I saw here was the ability to duplicate the website. So if I add, let's say, an employee who is in training, who's not maybe still learning how to design websites, I maybe don't really want them working too heavily on the actual website in case it accidentally gets published or something like that. I would really like to give access to someone to be able to duplicate the website, maybe even edit their own version, and then if it ever gets approved, then they can copy their section from their duplicate over to the live website and we can publish. I think that would be a really cool permission for us to have here, but currently that is not an option. Hopefully that does get added because I do think, and for a lot of people, that would be very, very useful. But let's just go ahead and create a test role real quick. We'll say they have access to the editor and that's it. We'll go ahead and save it. And now if we go back over to roles and permissions and we invite someone, we can see our custom role right here and we can give them access to this role. And another cool thing is we can actually have them be multiple roles as well. So if they're not a co-owner or a website manager, you can have them do different multiple roles and have access to multiple things without having like admin or website manager access. So that's also something that's really cool. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix and Editor X content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.